I feel like, and I feel like you touched on this at the beginning, that the medical industry is in some ways declining. People without
Hmm.
insurance are being charged thousands of dollars for basic testing. I went to a Quest not too long ago just for observational purposes, and people were
Hmm.
walking out being like, I can't afford $900 in testing. Um, and it kind of depressed me in a lot of ways.
Hmm.
And then you look at the price tag of IVF in the United States, and it deters people from even thinking that that's an option that they could move forward with. What do you have to say about the direction the medical world is headed?
Well, being part of the medical world, I'm hopeful that the medical world is heading in the right direction. Certainly, everything that you've observed and mentioned are issues that we're trying to work through on a societal level, as a country, as different states and municipalities, as companies providing healthcare services. Certainly, seeing those problems was one of the reasons why we started Fertility Cloud. It sounds like that's maybe a reason why you started Novolin as well, is because to us it was unacceptable that economics put reproduction um, out of reach for
So
a lot
many.
of families and a lot of women. Exactly. And so hopefully for every problem out there like that, there's physicians and entrepreneurs like yourself that are able to step into that breach and solve those problems, and to, whether it's reproductive care or any other field, to help people get the care that they deserve.
Well, you are so wonderful. I'm so grateful for your time and your wisdom. Is there anything else that you wanted to add before we wrap this up, or anything that you feel like you wanted to touch on?
Well, I really want to extend my gratitude for you to allow me to come speak with you, and I hope this is a fruitful endeavor for both of us.
Yeah, me too. And that it helps a lot of people.
Absolutely.
That messaging, we just got to get it out there. I think that's the biggest thing.
Hmm. Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.